Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. We're going to make a delicious sausage bacon rice dish. We're going to begin with a nice fresh sausage, which we're going to cut it into slices around 1/4 inch thick. For this dish, you could either use pork or beef sausage, depending on what you like. I prefer pork sausage. We have a nice thick bacon roll, which we're going to cut it in half, place one of the halves on top of the other, and cut it into slices. You don't have to use bacon roll. You could use bacon slices around 3 to 4 pieces. Now we're going to use a nonstick pan, medium to high heat. Let's add some olive oil and then the garlic. We're going to cook the garlic for a couple of seconds in the olive oil. Now that we cooked the garlic for a couple of seconds, let's add the sausage. We want to cook the sausage on its own until we see that it starts getting golden brown. I see that the sausage is starting to get golden brown, so I'm going to add the bacon now. We don't want to overcook the bacon to make it crispy and crunchy. We want it soft and chewy. So we're going to cook the bacon along with the sausage for a couple of more seconds, and then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Let's put in now the fresh sliced up mushrooms. And we're going to cook the mushrooms along with the sausage and the bacon until they become golden brown. What I love about fresh mushrooms are that they're like a sponge. As they're cooking, they're just going to start soaking up all that flavor from the sausage and the bacon. The mushrooms are nice golden brown, so let's add in now the sliced up red bullhorn pepper, some fresh broccoli, which I cut into little pieces. We don't want to cook the red pepper and the broccoli too much because we want it nice, crisp, and crunchy. So just cook them for a couple of seconds. Let's add now 2 nice pinches of pepper and 3 nice pinches of salt. Half a teaspoon of curry powder and half a teaspoon of hot paprika powder. Now that we added the salt, pepper, and the spices, let's give everything a really good mix. Now let's add our last ingredient, which is the pre-cooked rice. Now we want to give everything a really good mix and the white rice to turn orangey red from the curry and the paprika. And soon as it does, we're ready to serve. And now we're ready to serve. This is a delicious and easy to make dish which is great for lunch or dinner, which your family and friends will love. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη!